Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a bunch of cool wood that we're going to turn into some cool decor pieces. So follow along as we turn 3 pieces of wood into some cool decor pieces. Also, while I get these set up, subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, so what we've done is created our decor pieces. First one's going to be a cow that I'm going to cut out, and we'll put a nice little saying on it. Our second one is going to be the state of Arizona. And our third one is going to be 3 fishes, and we'll have some bubbles coming out. Should be some cool designs. We'll see how hard it's going to be to do these. So let's start by skill sawing our pieces out. Alright, first one up. Let's do the Arizona state. We've got our skill saw, our protective glasses, and let's see how long this is going to take to cut out all these little grooves here, but it should be pretty easy. Nice piece of live wood here. Alright, let's begin. Alright, next we got a cow that we're going to do. I don't know why, but we're going to do a cow. So we're going to start out with, we're going to drill some big holes in it, give us places to put the skill saw, and hopefully make our lives a little easier. So let's put some holes in it, skill saw it out.
Let's go.
Do the same thing that we did to the cow, put a couple holes in it, try to make our lives a little easier, and we'll get this knocked out. Alright, so what we're going to do is drill our little bubbles here. I've decided on 3 different sizes here. Got mine marked out to where I think I want them, and then got them all set up. We're just going to work our way from the big to the small, and we'll be one step closer to getting this thing sanded. Okay, we're going to start with the machine here. Just get the flat edges like we want it. Anything that we can get to on the outside here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to our hand sander. This is 80 grit. We'll go down to 100 grit and 120, and then we'll progress from there. So let's begin with Arizona. So we've got a 100 grit sandpaper. Actually, I'm going to have to change this one out. But we're going to start with the 100 grit. I'm going to keep some of this groove look in it. So we're just going to do a light sand, just scuff up the edges here, and then we can start working on the inside. Alright, so what we're going to use is our butcher block conditioner here. I know it's not going to be used as a butcher block, but I really like the end result of this. So I'm going to take this, apply this 2 or 3 times, let it soak in, and we'll have this Arizona done, and we'll do the other projects too. Alright, here they are completed. 3 pieces of live wood. We took about 2 hours to complete them. We've got our fishes with the bubbles, we've got Arizona, and we've got our cow done. We mineral waxed them. They're ready to go. I think my wife will probably put a saying or 2 on each one, and we'll have these things done. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll try to think of some more projects for you guys.